Hey my love, today is the day first video for the 31 days journey. So how prepared are you? Because this 31 days journey is gonna worth it, okay? Trust me, if you are able to follow very well on this journey, on the 31st day of this month, by the special grace of God, you're gonna come out here and tell me it is worth it. So this is how the outline is gonna be. I'm gonna list out the words. We're going to use it to form a complete comprehension. Today, we're actually going to practice reading. We are practicing reading today. So if you're so ready, let's dive right into the video. So let's pronounce these words together. You have to pronounce these words with me. Okay, so let's go. Information. Information. Monitor. Monitor put together. Collected. Collected. Enterprise. Success. Organization. Business. Already, okay. Market. Research. Feedback. Independent. Customer. Distribution. Necessary. Service. Assume. Management. Sufficient. Unless. Overlook. Company. Essential. Engage. Determination. Share. Future. Happening. Carry. Strive. Objective. Effective. Should. Value. Analyze. Volume. Consider. Segment. Total. total, geographical, geographical, positioning, positioning, export, introduction, introduction. The following 2-letter, 3-letter, 4-letter words are what we are going to be finding in the comprehension. So let's read them out. For 2 letters, I have is, of, in, or, as, do, it. 3 letters, I have any, d, lie, are, and, not, use, they, for, has, out. 4 letters, I have this, that, they, well, need, many, fact, have, lack, data, tend, find, size. Okay? This, that, they, well, need, many, fact, have, lack, data, tend, find, size. Okay, for the 3 letters again, any, d, lie, are, and, not, use, they, for, has, out. 2 letters, is, of, in, or, as, do, it. All right, that's phrase 1. Now let's see the second phrase, which is putting everything together, and let's read it. Okay, so this is what we are able to compile from the list of words we have just pronounced. Okay, so the topic is the need for marketing research. Please read alongside with me. So the first thing is the introduction. Okay, now let's read. The success of any business lies in the information collected. Many business organizations think that because they are already doing market research, the services of distributors and independent marketers, as well as feedback about customer needs, are not necessary. Let's take it again. The success of any business lies in the information collected. Many business organizations think that because they are already doing market research, the services of distributors and independent marketers, as well as feedback about customer needs, are not necessary. They assume that they have sufficient market information. They overlook the fact that such market information is essential for the day-to-day management of an organization. Research has shown that unless you engage in marketing research, it is likely that its marketing research lack the data essential for determining the future of its success. Take it again from here. They assume that they have sufficient market information. They overlook the fact that such market information is essential for the day-to-day management of an organization. Research has shown that unless you engage in marketing research, it is likely that its marketing research lack the data essential for determining the future of its success. When a company carries out an objective research, it tends to find out what is happening in its market, what his market share is. A company which is striving to be successful and effective should analyze the size of its market, thereby considering the following. Let's take it again. When a company carries out an objective research, it tends to find out what is happening in its market, what his market share is. A company which is striving to be successful and effective should analyze the size of its market, thereby considering the following. Okay, so this is what it is for today's video. I hope you got something actually. How did you see it? Did you find it interesting? Is it worth your time? Is it worth your watch time? Okay, see you same time tomorrow. Don't forget, this is what we do here. This is English Affairs 101 and you are so welcome to the family. If you have challenges with reading, writing, speaking English, this is where you ought to be, because that's exactly what we do right here. Whether you're a beginner, you are advanced, in any level you are at all at this moment, as long as you fancy English speaking, why not join this family by subscribing? Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Stay tuned. We are going to be right back same time tomorrow. Catch you. Stay safe and bye for now.